Received another one today. An 18-year-old picture cover 2 brand new meter sent by Douyin fan. And its description is that the instrument screen is black. There are several faulty lights above this. And then the vehicle can also operate normally. Let's test it when powered on. See what its operating current is. Let's determine what the problem is. Currently, there are only faults and a black screen illuminated state. The current is around 450,450. Then let's determine if it may be a problem with the main control integrated circuit, or it's the data. Let's break it down today. Then after we cut off the power, dismantle, take it apart and take a look. Drop this. Plug, not only plug. Then let's take a look at photoelectric, this board alone. Normally, the current should be able to run to around 700, about 6 or 700. Now it's only around 400. Let KE lift it up and take a look. This D70F integrated circuit has been added. Let's weld it again today to try it out. And then this popular 791. This all-liquid crystal meter of the 791. It controls the integrated circuit and this. The CPU is bound. If you switch between these two, it won't work. It won't work to replace this with a brand new one or a dismantled car. Open organic industry. And T here is an integrated circuit behind this. 1, 2, 3. These 3 can be issued. What we are using for this is 0.6, and then the Chinese West board. Because our network is not a professional network, it's on the general network. This pig has already just killed, cleaned up. Put it away for him. After we install this Class B integrated circuit, then put this side, stick the heat sink on it. The purpose of hosting it is to prevent future issues, and because of this integrated circuit, excessive temperature causes secondary damage. Residual soldering flux on the opposite side. Also clean it up. We've cleaned it up here, and then let's try installing it on the instrument panel. See if it can be turned on. The final words, we must also plug in this speaker socket properly. If plugged in, when powered on, it will trigger that malfunction. This fault code cannot be cleared if you don't plug in this orange plug. The display is normal when powered on. Now, did you still report the bill?